Hello everyone, we are Group 4. We will introduce you about inflammasome. First, what is inflammasome? Inflammasome can be divided into inflammation and some. Inflammation is the body's defense response to physical or chemical stimuli or infection by microorganisms such as viruses. Some means a large protein complex. In other words, inflammasomes are intracellular protein complexes that induce inflammatory responses.
Let's take a closer look at the structure of the inflammasome. Inflammasomes are composed of three substances. The first is NLR, a protein that senses abnormal conditions and foreign substances within cells. The second is the ACS, which coordinates foreign body sensing and cytokine activation. The third one is procaspase-1. This substance causes pyrotosis and also promotes the release of inflammatory cytokines. Through the action of NLR, these three substances come together to form an inflammasome. In addition to NLR, NLRP1, NLRC4, and also not NLR, AIM2 are also known to form inflammasomes. NLRP1 is activated by the anthrax lethal toxin, NLRC4 by the Salmonella flagellum, and AIM2 by recognition of double-stranded DNA. Now, let's take a look at how inflammasomes work. Procaspase-1 is cleaved to become active caspase-1. Thereafter, active caspase-1 cleaves pro-IL-1 beta and transforms it into IL-1 beta. Similarly, pro-IL-18 is also cleaved by active caspase-1 and converted to IL-18. Gestamine D is also cleaved, ultimately forming a pore in the cell membrane. This kind of cell death is particularly called pyrotosis. IL-1 beta and 18 are then released from the formed pore. IL-1 beta and 18 are called inflammatory cytokines, and after being released, they cause an inflammatory response. In this way, inflammasomes protect the body from infection.
Finally, we will discuss diseases caused by abnormalities or overstimulation of the inflammasome. Diseases that occur due to inflammasome abnormalities that make it difficult to control inflammation are part of autoinflammatory diseases. We will introduce three main autoinflammatory diseases. The first is TNF receptor-associated periodic syndrome, abbreviated as TRAPS. TRAPS causes misfolding of the TNF receptor due to genetic mutations in the TNF receptor, increasing receptor signaling and inducing autoinflammation. Inflammasomes are activated by microbial-derived pumps and endogenous stress molecules, DAMPs. The second is cryopyrin-associated periodic syndrome, abbreviated as CAPS. In CAPS, the inflammasome is first activated due to a genetic mutation in NLRP3. Finally, activated caspase-1 converts interleukin-1 beta to its active form, causing autoinflammation. The third is familial Mediterranean fever, abbreviated as FMF. FMF is thought to be caused by mutations in the MAFB gene that encodes pyrin, a molecule related to NLRP3, which activates the inflammasome and causes autoinflammation. All of these diseases are characterized by repeated systemic inflammation. In addition to these, inflammasomes are also thought to be involved in the onset of Alzheimer's disease and GOUTs. Thank you for watching.